mali na tanggalin mo yung isang tao dyan, elected by the people. There's a big difference between an appointed guy and an elected guy. Due process of law. If he had committed a wrong, may masama siyang ginawa, imbestigahin mo. Ano ba yan? Ayaw ko ang tingin ng military pati pulit. I am asking you guys to look at it closely. Be neutral. Bawal talaga to. Ito yung pangpahina ng gobyerno. Lahat ng mga bumoto dyan sa gobyerno dyan, galit sa gobyerno. Itong nangyari kay Governor, basta na lang pinaalam sa kanya na umalis ka. It violates the due process of law. Very important yang no person shall be denied of the equal protection of the Constitution. Tanggalin mo tao ng rason. And you must remember that the governor of North Davao has been elected by the people. Hindi yan trabahante na in-appoint mo tapos tanggalin mo. We have to respect the will of the people of that North Davao. For respeto naman. So you are veering dangerously close to being an authoritarian government. Ako sinasabi ko sa iyo kasi hindi ko nagustuhan yung style. Kung due process of law, if he had committed a wrong, may masama siyang ginawa, imbestigahin mo. Ano ba yan? And if it is a case that is good for a case under the revised penal code or any other special law, sabihin mo sa kanya the right to know and the right to address something. Kung wala siyang ma-explain sa mga tao bakit niya inabandono ang mga tao, siya naman ang hinalal na governor, then there is something seriously wrong sa pamamalakad na ito. Then, ayaw ko ang tingin ng military pati pulit. I am asking you guys to look at it closely. Be neutral. You were not organized and funded by the Republic of the Philippines with the money of Marcos. You are there operating and paid by the taxpayer, the Republic of the Philippines. Ngayon, mag-open up ako sa one of these days, and I will begin to say it in rallies and everything. Because it's bad. Hindi ko kalaban si Marcos, pero along the way, magkakalaban talaga kami. We will be political enemies. Hindi ko you cannot remove that kind of situation na mangyari kasi mali na tanggalin mo yung isang tao dyan elected by the people. There's a big difference between an appointed guy and an elected guy. Elected to. Gusto nila itong leader na ito. to govern the local place. So, hindi ko alam. Wala naman akong balita. Kaya, alam mo, si Benhur, kaibigan ko rin yan. Kasama kami noong pag-akyat namin sa mayorship noon. Tataka lang ako because ako wala akong kita mo noon bastos ako magsalita, bunganga ako. But my God, doing this kind of thing is very serious. I hope that they will go to court. Diretso na sila sa Supreme Court and ask for a relief, whatever it is available. Bawal talaga to. Ito yung pangpahina ng gobyerno. Yung lahat ng mga bumoto dyan sa gobyerno dyan, galit sa gobyerno. Yung galit na yan, bantayan ninyo yan kasi masaya na sana kami, ako, pati ang military, medyo humina na ang NPA. Huwag kayong bigay ng rason ng mga tao nito tatakbo sa bukid ng armas, manggulo na naman ang bayan namin. Alam ko hindi niya nagustuhan ng military. Sigurado ako dyan. Baski sa military, hindi ka lang basta, you are advised way ahead that you are being transferred from one post to another. But it can never be applied with such a cavalier fashion of removing a person elected by the people. Basta mo nang ligwakin, tumabi ka dyan. That is not democracy.